Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on extra large text size on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, if you want to adjust the text size, you want to go to the settings, then you want to go to the display and brightness, and here you have the option called text size, so just click on that, and here you can adjust the text size. But if you want even larger text, you want to go back, go to the settings, and then you want to go from the main page of the settings, you want to go to the accessibility. If you click on this one, the third option is going to be display and text size, so click on that, and here you have option called larger text, so go into and click on. Make sure that the tick is on, and as you can see right here on the bottom, it changes, like, you know, the scale just changes, and now you can go to the even larger text, like a super large text, as you can see right now. And here also is going to be like everything bolded, larger. As you can see, everything is going to be like just bigger. So if you want to turn this feature off, just turn on, and now you can adjust the text also here like a normal. If you go turn on that option, you can adjust it to the even bigger sizes, as you can see right now. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!